The lights flicker. Ow. Across an entire continent, power grids collapse in silence. Satellites go dark. Ow. Planes lose contact with the ground. Auroras burn across the sky bright, violent, unnatural, visible where they should never exist. There's no explosion, no sound, no enemy. Only a sudden realization spreading across the world. The sun has turned against us. Tonight, we confront a silent catastrophe that humanity has always feared, but never truly prepared for. What if a massive solar storm hit Earth without warning? The sun is not just a source of light. It is a colossal nuclear engine, a seething sphere of plasma, gravity, and unimaginable energy. Every second, it releases more power than all human civilization has ever produced. Most days, Earth is protected, wrapped in a magnetic shield, defended by distance, but sometimes the sun erupts. And if one of those eruptions strikes Earth directly, without warning, the consequences would ripple across every system we depend on. This is not science fiction. This has happened before. The question is not if it will happen again, but when. A massive solar storm begins with a coronal mass ejection, a violent release of billions of tons of magnetized plasma from the sun's surface. This plasma cloud travels through space at millions of kilometers per hour. If it hits Earth, it compresses our magnetic field, overloads electrical systems, induces massive electrical currents, disrupts satellites, GPS, aviation, and communications. In most cases, we get 12 to 48 hours of warning. But in this scenario, there is no warning. No time to shut down systems. No chance to prepare. Storm arrives fast, direct, and devastating. To understand the danger, we must understand the sun's true nature. The sun is a ball of plasma, constantly twisted by magnetic forces. These magnetic fields snap, reconnect, and explode, launching energy across the solar system. When a coronal mass ejection hits Earth, it does not burn us, electrifies us. The magnetosphere under attack, Earth's magnetic field, normally deflects solar radiation. But a powerful storm compresses this shield like a crushed tin can. Charged particles penetrate deeper into the atmosphere. They induce electric currents in anything conductive. Power lines become antennas. Transformers overload. Satellites short circuit. Modern civilization built on electricity becomes vulnerable in seconds. This is not heat. This is electromagnetic violence. This has already happened. The Carrington event -1859 in September 1859, the largest solar storm ever recorded, struck Earth. Telegraph systems burst into flames. Operators were electrocuted. Auroras lit the sky as far south as the Caribbean. And this was in a world with almost no electrical infrastructure. The 1989 Quebec blackout. A much smaller storm collapsed the entire power grid of Quebec in 90 seconds. 6 million people lost electricity. Transformers were permanently destroyed. The near miss, -2012 and July 2012, a Carrington-level solar storm passed through Earth's orbit. We missed it by 9 days. If it had hit us, scientists estimate the damage would have cost trillions of dollars and taken years or decades to fully recover. History has warned us. We just haven't listened. Now, let's walk through what would happen minute by minute, hour by hour if a massive solar storm struck Earth without warning. Minute 0 impact: the solar plasma slams into Earth's magnetosphere. Satellites are the first to feel it. Solar panels overload. Electronics fry. Orientation systems fail. Some satellites die instantly. Others spin out of control. Global communications begin to fracture. Minute 2. Power grids under siege. Electric currents surge through high-voltage transmission lines. Transformers designed for steady flow overheat. One fails, then another, then dozens. Power grids cascade into collapse. Entire regions go dark. Not for hours, not for days, but indefinitely. Minute 5. Aviation crisis. Commercial aircraft lose GPS. Radio communication becomes unreliable. Planes already in the air must rely on old analog systems. Many pilots trained on technology that no longer works. Flights divert. Some make emergency landings. Air traffic control struggles to coordinate without digital systems. The skies become dangerous. Minute 10. The internet begins to die. Data centers lose power. Backup generators kick in but fuel is limited. Undersea cables survive but routing systems fail. Cloud services collapse. Financial networks disconnect. Digital money becomes unreachable. The world's information infrastructure fractures. Hour 1. A silent global emergency. Cities glow only by emergency lights. Hospitals switch to backup power. Some life support systems fail. Emergency services are overwhelmed. Governments attempt to respond, but communication between regions is unstable. This is not chaos yet. This is shock. Hour 6. The realization as dawn or dusk breaks under glowing auroras. Experts realize the truth. This was not a blackout. Transformers custom-built, massive, irreplaceable, have been destroyed. Manufacturing new ones takes months or years. And without electricity, factories cannot operate. The recovery clock does not start tomorrow. It starts in years. Day 1, modern life begins to unravel. ATMs stop working, fuel pumps fail, refrigeration shuts down, food supply chains break, supermarkets empty in hours, water systems lose pressure, sewage systems malfunction, cities begin to strain. Week 1, social stress without communication, rumors spread. Some regions organize, others fracture. Emergency rationing begins. Military forces assist with logistics. But fuel and coordination are limited. Hospitals prioritize patients. Technology-dependent medicine collapses first. Month 1, a pre-electric world returns. Life becomes local. No global internet, no GPS, no satellite navigation. Banking reverts to paper. Communication relies on radios if they still work. The world feels smaller, slower, more fragile. Year 1, a changed civilization. Some regions restore partial power. Others remain dark. New systems are designed, hardened against solar storms, but the damage is permanent. Globalization reverses. Supply chains localize. Technology becomes cautious. Humanity survives, but with scars. A massive solar storm would not end the world. But it would end the world as we know it. No bombs, no enemies, no warning. Just a reminder that our civilization, for all its intelligence and progress, still lives at the mercy of a star. The sun gives us life, but it does not care about our cities, our networks, or our digital dreams. And as we build ever more fragile systems, we must ask ourselves, are we truly prepared to live under a star that can erase our technology with a single silent storm? The sun can cripple our world without touching it? Then what would happen if something even closer turned against us? What if Earth's magnetic field suddenly collapsed? That story is coming next.